I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home. But if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh, and I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened, yeah. So you wanna talk again? But it's time to do this
Palisin natin yung ating sensation. Also mga packs natin. Nalagyan po tayo ng vertical packs natin. Nakikita natin 1.5 PSP. Then, dalawang 1,000 liters sa stainless steel. Stainless na rin. So, safe po tayo sa kanas. Then, okay. Gusto ko lang ito, ano natin, pinaka-lababo. Ayan, ngayon ulit po tayo dito. Pinaka-jet wash natin. Yung jet wash natin, hindi na yung inaapakan or gano'n. Ito na lang siya mismo. Pag in-open na ito, pag-click na ito. Okay, operate natin siya. Speed up. Ito siya. Meron karoon sila ng karoon. Gamitan nyo naman. Performance ng ating sagad mo. Kumakaroon sila. Sagad. Multimedia, carbon, and solving. And kapapos nito dyan, ito, lumitin na natin yung vertical pump. Then, ito na ating membrane. Nakadual na yung lang sa atin. Nakadual na yung bacteria na kapatid natin sa ating product na. Then, hindi ko naman sila ng ating feed pump. Hindi ko lang feed pump dito sa carbon